I'm Dragony, Dragony the Dragon, and welcome to Will You Press That Button? This is where I make decisions about stuff and things and stuff. I don't know what to do. You're always at a comfortable temperature. You are followed everywhere with spacey stuff. I don't see a downside. Yeah. Where's your downside? Oh, this would be neat. Who wouldn't? Yeah. I'm the king of the world! Yeah, why not? Okay, I've answered this before and I totally regret it. Let's see. But you know what just go with someone you truly love. So, nah. Sorry for all the ads. They will happen. As you know. Yeah. Bad consequences suck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. No. You give it. You the fuck. Let's get a new one. Oh, I like being a ghost. I get to fly. Yeah, no such love. The seagull. Hey, why the fuck not? In the fine. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the best guy you can't. Yeah, I said. You'll be very weak and a cure on disease will kill you unexpectedly. Yeah. Doesn't tell you when. Well, so hell no. The rest of them, you like oil or anything? Yeah. Do you? What? What? No. Just no. Yeah. Yeah. First trillion, you'll have all forms of cancer. As soon as your life ends. Oh yeah, there is no downside to this. In fact, there's more ups and downs. People seriously not press the button. You kidding? Yeah. Okay, the question of the day. What the fuck is Vanilla Sky? And yeah, I'll press that button. No. That was more important than money to me. Me neither. I don't hate these people, especially you, Clara. I will kill you in your sleep. Should have said no. Owie. Right, you gain the ability to phase through any solid object. Will I? Nothing can follow you. No. If that includes texting, then no. If that doesn't, then yeah, why the duck not? The way I see it is, it doesn't include texting, and it's presently far. No, thank you, not once. Well, it's not that I don't want to. The reason better plays them when they're improved. I don't want to waste my whole life working on it. I don't care if I would implode. What's wrong with the fly? It's my dream come true. And what's wrong with that? Yeah, it's new. Yeah, songs of all time. The new favourite songs of all time. Yeah, for another song. So, Toby Fox never creates songs. I should not have pressed yes. Do 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 do. No. Yeah, why not? You see the exact time of death right in a lot of people's heads. That's this, and do you not? Oh, Spot. Right, I'm an actual artist. Fine. Yeah, I was on 2 times before. Oh! You're a mermaid. I'm a merman now. It's cool. That's what I was already dead. People didn't press the button. I decided. All I'm gonna care is using. I'm happy that it's true. It's true as well. No, fine. Yeah. It's fine. Yeah, fine. Don't go mad. No, I don't like Breaking Bad. Don't hate me, people. Nobody's watching. So you can't stay invisible. Nobody's watching. It cuts through. Oh, things you. Wait, what? What? I don't care. I don't care. Oh, you're doing it life. You sleep right over your dream. Okay. Yeah, why not? Yay! I see no downside. I see no downside. No, seriously. Yes. Are you haters? Dinkelberg. Did I press that? Oh. Oh god. Yeah, well, that was a good one. Here I come. Already I'm there. No, you get a cold once a week. As soon as I saw video games, I'm like, nope. I don't want to live in the world of Harry Potter. Oh. Nah.
Don't miss a single trading.
Fine. Hey, it's a mega flowy. Hey, your own game music. No one saw that, did they? Dragon Fruit, hey! He's like, you were. Oh! Yeah, yes.
Don't miss a single.
No. You can cut the phone. Oh. So Lego. You're on mute. Stir up another sound that you like again. I think after this to check. Nah, I'm kidding. We're down forever. Tumblr is down forever. I'm on the social media of myself.
I say damn.
Nah, okay. Anything real on? Anything real on? Ooh. What the hell I had? But why not? I feel unhappy. This is food. Oh, fine. No, David. No. No. Yeah, because vision is the only thing that counts in my world. No, exactly. Everything but the exception of talking. So Sonic power ups. So that's all we have for today. So I will see you later, Scallyros.